In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list on Klaviyo quickly and easily. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, building a well-organized list is a great place to start, and I'll guide you through this process in just a few steps. First, let's get started by opening your Klaviyo account. You can do this by typing www.klaviyo.com into your web browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log in. This should take you directly to the Klaviyo dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, from the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the audience section. This is where you'll find lists and segments. The lists and segments section is the heart of your audience management within Klaviyo, giving you the power to organize your contacts in a meaningful way. You'll see an option to create list or segment in the upper right corner. Clicking this button is your next step. It's conveniently placed so you can quickly build new lists or segments whenever you need. After clicking it, you'll be presented with a few choices, but for our purposes today, you'll want to choose List. Lists in Klaviyo are static groups of contacts, which means you can manually add or import users as you see fit. This is ideal for situations where you have a specific set of subscribers in mind. Once you've selected List, you'll be prompted to give your new list a descriptive name. Think about how you'll use this list and name it accordingly. For example, if you're creating a list for your newsletter subscribers, you might call it Newsletter Subscribers. Or if it's for customers who have made a recent purchase, New Customers could be appropriate. A clear descriptive name helps you and your team easily identify the list's purpose at a glance. Next, Klaviyo allows you to optionally add tags to your list. Tags can be a helpful way to categorize and group your lists further, making it easier to find and organize them as your audience grows. While this step is optional, it's a good practice to adopt as your email marketing strategy becomes more sophisticated. With the list name and optional tags set, you can now click on the Create List button. It's as simple as that. With this final click, your list is officially created and ready for action. At this point, your list is ready to have contacts added to it. You can do this manually or import contacts from other sources you may be using. As you add contacts, you'll be better equipped to segment and target your audience effectively with personalized email campaigns. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully created a list on Klaviyo. Remember, having well-organized lists can dramatically boost your email marketing efficiency, helping you reach the right people with the right message. Thanks for joining me today.